Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Well, I have the two awesome fitness watches, the Amazfit GTR and the Amazfit GTS. They are both amazing fitness trackers, but which one should you get? Well, let's find out. As usual, we will start with the common things they both have. It doesn't matter what you go for, whether the GTR or the GTS. They both have the capability of showing notifications. Since they are not smartwatches, you only interact with the notifications by viewing them. You do not have an option to reply to any notifications and you cannot answer phone calls. When it comes to watch faces, you have a lot of options to choose from. They both pack ton of watch faces to suit your style, from digital to analog or both. So whichever you select, you will have this option of customization. Although both watches are reasonably priced, they have poor GPS. You can use both of them for fitness, but GPS is not that reliable. I have also noticed the sleep tracking for both watches is not that accurate. Okay, with all that being said, now let's proceed to their differences. Well, this is a matter of preference. The GTS has an amazing modern look to it. Its form factor is slim and is best suited for regular casual wear. I prefer the GTS since it has a classy modern look, it's slim and lightweight. The GTS has an amazing larger display compared to the GTR. The 1.65-inch AMOLED screen has a pixel density of 341 ppi. This means that text is sharp and can fit more content and colors are well saturated. Both the watches have a lot of watch faces, but the GTS has two watch faces that can be customized. This means you can place a specific widget at a specific place on the watch. The GTR doesn't offer this option, and because of this, I prefer the GTS over the GTR. The GTR 47mm edition comes with a 410 mAh battery, which surprisingly lasts up to 72 days in basic mode. It lasts up to 24 days with typical usage. The continuous use of the GPS allows 40 hours. So as far as battery life is concerned, I prefer the GTR. The material used on the GTR are of high quality, starting from the aluminum alloy to the leather strap. The GTR also has the traditional look to it with circular display. Anyway, to sum it up, if you are looking for a traditional looking watch with good battery life, GTR is the best option. If you want a modern design with larger display, GTS is the best option. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.